Hi, I'm Richard Graham. I'm the Industry Sector Manager for OEM and Heavy Manufacturing. RS supports the needs for data centers by having a great range of products, not only a huge breadth and depth of products, but also product availability. And speed really is paramount in this area, as we've seen, to address any issues that might relate to downtime in order to increase and maximize uptime. Also, with our breadth and depth of availability, that means that our customers in this space can place fewer orders, receive fewer deliveries, and really spend more time away from placing orders and maintaining the facility itself, spending their time where they're most expert. We also provide great access to our full range through our digital means. So with a website with 800,000 products listed today and ever growing and ever increasing, all brought together to maximize uptime and help our data center customers spend more time focusing on what matters to them.